Ciao. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. It's Friday, boys. We're going to make some money today. Stay safe in the markets. Don't risk it for the biscuit. And we're just going to wait to see what the market gives us today. For everyone that was on last night's stream for the Traders Hangout, appreciate all you guys tuning in. What a crazy stream. We did 2,700 views on last night's stream, which is crazy. Over 57 hours of watch time. So appreciate everyone that tunes in for those hangouts. Like, I appreciate you guys making the channel grow, everything like that. And hopefully today we can make some money if the markets are moving well. And we're praying for zero chop today. So we're going to see what we get. Back to the legacy now. But we'll see with the micro scalping stuff, because like I said, I'm not changing how I'm trading. It only happens to me here and there, so I'm not as concerned about it, but we will try. I take what the market gives us. So if the market's not giving us trades where I can hold for a long period of time or longer than 10 seconds, I'm closing. Green is green at the end of the day. So
yeah. Because if you're sitting there worrying about that rule and then you blow like an account or lose like 1,000 while you're waiting to, if it goes south, it goes south, man.
Yep. And that's my whole thing. So I rather have the money in the account and I just keep adding to it just by holding a little bit longer than not having the money in the account and not being able to get close to the profit target, because that was only on my growth account. So I was finding my select accounts. It was only in my growth account. Smooth, what's up, bro? Good morning. Brett, hopefully you're having a solid morning as well, sir. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning. It was a good day yesterday, boy.
Woo, Mr. Carmona, I'm glad it was a good day yesterday, bro. That's awesome.
Yeah, I was in the SIM account. I didn't get no money yesterday, but I saw that it was a good day for everybody.
That it was. Everyone printed yesterday. Good morning, Hamid. Good morning, King. Good morning, gentlemen.
Man, yesterday I go, what's up, guys? Good morning.
What's up, Dylan?
I got on the charts yesterday late, man. I missed that whole move, and I just decided to stay out the way.
Hey, sometimes that's better, because when you start chasing, that's when you get messed up. Good morning,
I tried to catch that falling knife one time. I got smoked for like $150. I said, nah, I ain't gonna trade today.
hey, at least you have the discipline to be like, you know what? I'm not touching it.
Yeah, for sure.
You know what I'm saying? Because that's the win for the day. You may not have won monetary wins, but you won the psychology game. And that's the biggest game we're playing at the end of the day.
Another day.
I just got this funded a couple days ago, so I'm going to be careful with it. I was getting the itch to get a payout, but nah, I'm not going to rush it.
Base hits, man. Base hits. I took a 2K payout last night from Tradeify. I was trying to take a 4K payout last night, but on my one of my other funded accounts with them, I had to correct my micro scalping gap. So I hit the profit targets in one of my growth accounts, but I got hit with the micro scalping, because at the end of the day, if I see green, I'm gonna close out. I don't care how quick I am with it, because I rather have the profits and then just continue to build than not have the profits. So today I'll hold a little bit longer on a couple trades on that account, but I ain't risking it for the biscuit.
Hey, so what is it with the micro scalping? What, that you'll fail an account, or what? What's the case on that?
No, you won't fail the account. So what it is, you have to have at least less than 50% of your profit where you held trades longer than 10 seconds.
Ah, that's good to know.
So because of that, I had certain trades that were less than 10 seconds, and that's what they're trying to avoid. So you can't have more than 50% of your profit from less than 10-second trades.
And what prop is that?
That's Tradeify.
Oh yeah, okay.
Lucid has the same thing as well, though.
I don't don't think take profit. I don't think I've ever heard a trade that short, but I don't think TPT does. Do they?
TPT does not. They do not have that, but I don't like giving them the extra 10%.
Yeah, that does hurt.
I don't like giving them the extra 10% because my goal for this year is 500K from payouts, and that 10% would be literally like if I was only trading with TPT, that'd be 50 grand. I ain't trying to give them an extra 50 grand. Good morning, everybody. Nine, what's up, bro? Good morning. We're gonna make some monies this morning. We're waiting. We got 5 more minutes for market open here. We're all dialed. We're ready. Drinking early, popping bottles already in the morning, boys. We're already popping bottles this morning. Should be a good one today. No news today. No news today. So just so you guys know, right now we're hugging this VWAP. VWAP is currently sitting right at 825.75. The 21 EMA is sitting at 831.25. Then the close from yesterday is up at 982.50. 982.50. So let's see what we get today. I don't care if we go up. I don't care if we go down. We're just going to make some money today. I am not trading my 150K account with Tradeify today because they have not pulled the money out yet for the payout since I requested late last night on the Traders Hangout. So I won't touch that account till that payout gets pulled, and then I'll trade that on Monday. So yeah, we're going to rotate through 4 fundeds with Tradeify a day. Then we're going to trade with Lucid after that, as long as the markets are moving well. And we're going to go from that. Why this candlestick going different? Don't know what you're talking about, bro. If you're looking at the top screen, those are Renko bars. That's the hack of trading, boys. The Renkos are my hack. Good morning, Danielle. Top of the morning to you. Let me get my mouse. Let me just do a couple clicks real quick.
No.
Get that dopamine hit before market opens here. Woo. Woo. Alrighty. I'm excited. I applied today to become partially monetized on YouTube this morning. So that should be approved within like the next couple days. Then sometime next week, we'll be fully monetized on YouTube. Crazy to say. Because I just started taking YouTube serious mid-November. Because we had less than 300 subs in November. And we're now up to over 1,400. So appreciate everyone coming to trade with us, win with us, and grow with us. And hopefully today's a safe day in the markets for all of us. This is not financial advice, by the way. I'm just some random guy on the internet that has a community that trades very, very well. First 15, once you do your first 15, you won't go back. Seth, I ain't trading the first 15 minutes, bro. I got to sit on the sideline until 9:45. 9:45. Sometimes it hurts when I see the great momentum, but it's one of my rules for myself because it shows me each and every day that I can have discipline. Because for me personally, whenever I trade before 9:45, some days I make really great money, but other days I lose a lot of money. So to avoid that, I just sit completely out till 9:45. Does anyone have any big plans for the weekend? Who got big plans for the weekend?
I do. I'm going to Fogo to town to eat for my birthday dinner.
Awesome. Happy birthday again, bro.
Happy birthday, G.
Yeah. Happy birthday,
Thank you.
G.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
My birthday here in a couple days too, man. But I'm gonna go with a big dino rib this year. I'm thinking.
That sounds amazing.
yeah, this weekend we're gonna be celebrating G's birthday. He's not gonna be here, but the party is gonna be off the chain.
Yes, sir.
Top 5 advice for new traders. 1, keep it simple. 2, join the Legacy Wealth Society. 3, do not trade your own personal money. 4, find a strategy that works for you. And 5, do not trade market open. There we go. Gasparilla in Tampa. Nice, King. Have fun with that, bro. Rules don't get us in trouble. They only get you in trouble if you don't have discipline. Rules protect you. Your own personal rules that you put for yourself, they're there to protect you, not to harm you. Market is officially open. We do have that gap up to the close from yesterday, so let's see if we push up towards it.
Push up like a tigre.
But we gotta go through a pivot point that's sitting right at 938 even area. We got a pivot point there, so we're gonna wait to see what we get here. Oh, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Haven't touched this computer and try going to sleep on me. You better wake up. It's time to work.
Well, I just did an update, and it just popped another update. Would you like to update right now, like right at market open? I don't think so.
Yeah, that's the worst. And then I get caught with that on my Mac sometimes, where like stuff won't work until you do the update.
Yeah, it's like that's what scares me the most. It's like it's gonna force it.
So then, like, I'll do the update, and then that's when I'll have to hit y'all with, because it only happens like at 9:15. Like, oh, you need to do an update.
Yeah.
And I'm like, great.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere until you finish it too.
Look at that wick. That's a dirty little wick right there. Sellers trying to step in hard.
Hey, Duane, why don't you bust a freestyle rap about a dirty little wick?
No, thank you. I do not rap. I do not sing. I can dance, but we're not even going to show that here.
Look, your sister told me to put a picture of you guys or a video of everybody dancing. It changed everybody's life.
It changed everyone's life. Well, I don't think it changed my life because my knee was hurting. So I don't know what type of dance you were seeing.
Well, you're doing those James Brown knee drops.
No, sir. No, sir.
Somebody stop me.
So
I want to kiss myself.
We're still hanging out close to this VWAP. I want us to get away from it either direction here. All right, it's been officially 3 minutes. I'm doing good so far. Doing good. All right.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, LJ.
Morning.
Everybody doing good today?
Everybody's
yeah.
living the dream, fam.
Good to hear.
I'm hoping, right? I'm hoping we chop right here at the VWAP until 9:45, and then we make the move so I could be in for it. Let's see what we get though, because I feel like no, I can't even say that yet. Where's my mouse? There's the mouser. Grab that line. Who is going to win this morning? We're going to see. Right now, this market opens pretty tight. Pretty tight so far. We need another day like yesterday. That'd be amazing today. Even if it just shoots up, I'm good with that. As long as it's a clean momentum, your boy will be happy today. Give us a flag, Betsy. Start building a flag. Take a 10-minute flag. I'll take a 10-minute flag right now. Yeah, be careful, folks. Be careful. Market doesn't know what it wants to do yet. So when the market's not knowing, we don't know. So just wait. Just wait. Another reason why it's good to sell the first 15 so we can see what direction the market's trying to move in. But today, oh, no order filled. No order filled. Not from my computer, at least. For the legacy, I am looking at possibly doing for the profit takers because we do have some new builders and profit takers for the community. I know you guys are market makers. I'm looking at setting up those schedules for Tuesdays for profit takers directly after the stream for the training. So we'll do a weekly training probably on Tuesdays moving forward. Are we trying to build a little bull flag? Because we got that wick on that 5 minute.
You want to do like an all-in 5-minute orb strategy, Duane?
Huh? No all in, no full port with me today, sir.
Well, tell every contract I have a 5-minute orb on my mark.
Let's see if we get some structure for this flag. Let's see if it takes till 9:45. My bad, people. I put the line on how to contact you. Denise, you would need to be in the community. My bad. Put the yellow line on the chart, boys. And the market maker saw the line. They're like, we're not going that way now. So.
No, that was Duane's watching. Let's get out of here.
Denise, Nightbot will be posting the link. Nightbot will be posting the link here shortly. If you look up, Brett just posted as well. Go ahead and join the Legacy Wealth Society. It's free to join. We do have paid options as well, but we do have a free side of the community also. So pick what works for you. Now, I gotta tell Legacy, we have over 162 members in the community right now. Straight craziness. By the end of this year, we're gonna be at least 10,000. 10,000 strong. That's what I'm pushing for. But crazy, crazy, crazy.
We Florida men love that craziness.
Oh, that we do, Jose. That we do. All right, looks like the market's waiting for me, so I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But this is looking like a bull flag. I'm getting ready to cry in a moment. All right, there's the follow through the yellow line there. Let's see if we get more push on it. Current high of the 15-minute range is 918.25. 918.25. We have a real tight range today. There we go. And that was the flaggy flag that one made some profits on. At this point, I definitely feel like we'll go test that pivot point level because we're coming too close to it. Pivot points up at 938.25, 938.25. Yeah. Let's see if we build another flaggy flag to give us some peace of mind here. We got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes for the 15-minute range orb to be completed. But I feel like it wants to leave me right now. Yeah, we're definitely going to touch that pivot. Be careful when we touch it. We may use it to reject. But let's see what we get. Right now, the market's still very up and down, we'll say. Up and down. There's the pivot touch. All right, let's see. I wish we kind of got above the pivot right there and we build the flag above the pivot just to keep it a little bit safer. But we're going to see. We're going to see what we get here. Come on, Betsy. We got 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes, girl. Wait for me to get in the markets. I need to make some money. I need to make some more money a day. For everyone on YouTube, welcome to the YouTube stream. Appreciate y'all tuning in. We do this live Monday through Friday for the New York session. And we go live every single night for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. So hopefully you tune in tonight and vibe with us, grow with us, and learn with us. Because we're going to be chilling. Last night we had over 2,700 views on last night's stream. So definitely don't miss out. So on the 2-minute, we just built another bullish style flag.
Bullish style.
Yeah, a bullish style flag right there. But we need more momentum.
Well, if you look at the 5-minute candles, it's that that candle body's cut off at right at the second wick.
Yeah.
It found a resistance at that on that, so that's like interesting.
Oh, what did I do? There we go. Well, looks like we're trying to reject here. And that rejection right there will make me not want to be bullish. Just being real. Because we tapped that pivot point. We did not use the pivot as support. We tapped it, instantly started coming back down off of it. So no complaints there. We're going to wait to see what we actually get. We're still in this 15-minute range so far. We got less than 2 minutes for the range to be completed. And once it's completed, then your boy will get ready to execute. Only when the move shows. Only when the move shows. Who's up, who's down, who's all around right now? Because I know some of y'all been trading. Who's winning, who's losing right now? How we feeling?
Well, since yesterday's session, I'm definitely up, but that was when I was swing trading overnight. So, I mean, I haven't traded in this thing. No reason to.
Yep. I feel that. Good morning, BP.
There he
Wow,
is.
it's early for you, bro. It's early. Congratulations on waking up today, sir. Life of a full-time trader. You wake up when you want. You know what I'm saying? Must be nice.
You don't want to miss out on the momentum
Hey,
like
there's
yesterday.
news coming out, fellas.
What news is coming out, G? I didn't see anything.
I didn't see anything either.
Hold on, let me check.
He just wanted to tell everybody that he's going to be having a vanilla birthday cake, I think.
Yep. He wants to give us the birthday news. The birthday news. PMI? I didn't see that. Where are you guys looking on to see that? Because I did not see any news for today.
I didn't see it on Stratify.
Because if we got news, what time's the news coming out? Forex calendar? Yeah, I don't watch the Forex calendar. 9:45 copy. That's some really good water. I need to buy some more cases.
That's like a 90s rap song, like a case of Courvoisier.
All right, so we're still in this 15-minute range right now. Honestly, I'm not very excited for the price action so far for today. But hopefully it gets better. It's 9:46, so the range is fully completed now. We're currently above the VWAP, below the 21 EMA. So I'm just waiting. Just honestly waiting for us to see some momentum here. Let's see. Are we getting ready to come through the VWAP? So we tested the high of this 15-minute range. There's the VWAP tab. I am officially cleared to trade, but right now we're waiting for a move. BP, you're good. You're not missing anything right now, bro. You're not missing anything. We're in the 15-minute range, so.
This is how he started it before he even yawned. Like, he opened his eyes.
Oh, BP say market don't move without him. Well, you better hurry up. You know the market makers don't like listening to us. They do what they want. Yeah, right now, I just want to see a clean flag. I need a clean flag, boys and ladies. Like, man, just trying to make a couple dollars, but the move has to present itself, because we are not risking it for the biscuit. Because I did request another payout from Tradify last night live with y'all, so for me, if the move happens, we're here for it. If not, we'll be waiting. Oh, you definitely would need some type of internet for a MacBook, bro. Oleg, good evening to you, sir. Good evening, sir. We're currently sitting in the middle of this 15-minute range. The place where we don't diddle in the middle. No diddy. So we're holding. Like, we're not going to touch it right now. We are trying to show a bear flag on this 2-minute, but I don't like these bottom wicks. Like, that's like going into the ocean and you see the wave coming and you still let it try going against it. No, you go with the wave, not against it.
Oh, Ninja Trader ad just popped on my computer. Is that a sign? Ninja Trader.
Yeah, we're diddling in the middle. Diddling in the middle, so.
diddle in the middle.
Silver drop. Well, hopefully people weren't still trying to go long.
But that thing's been going crazy for so long.
Yep, silver and gold have been going crazy.
I'd actually bought some, you know, just a couple of years ago.
Okay.
You know, it's just in the safe. You know what I mean? So because I always want to possess it, not just be, oh, I have a certificate.
No, I agree with that. So like gold, silver, I'd rather hold the hard, the tangible.
If
because
stuff goes south, if stuff goes south, and you go, I have an account here that's like, oh yeah.
Well, you can't buy it from the account. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
All right, so we're pushing back up towards this high of this 15-minute range here. Come on, Bessie. We got that pivot point up there as well. 938.25. We got the pivot point. So right now we're literally going sideways right now in this 15-minute range. And the one thing I suck at is trading sideways. So right now, no trades for me until we start seeing some momentum to the upside or downside.
Trading sideways is just gambling, basically.
Pretty much. At least for me, it's not even trading gambling for me. It's like a easy loss because I lose more than I win trading sideways.
Hence gambling.
I think it's worse odds than gambling when we're going sideways. Because you have like a 50-50 shot to win when you're gambling, right? Where for me, when we're going sideways, I have 100% lose rate. So it's not gambling. It's like I know I'm gonna lose if I trade sideways. Come on, Betsy.
Let's get our orb going.
I'll actually call out the high for the 15-minute range is 940. 940 is the high. The low of the 15-minute range, if you're marking your charts, is down there at 813.50. 813.50 for the low, 940 even for the high of the 15-minute range here. Give myself something to do. I gotta do something so I don't watch the sideways action right now, because if I watch it, I ain't gonna lie, sometimes your boy FOMOs. Because I tell myself, nah, I can do it. Even though deep down I know I can't do it. I know that I'm the only person that's ever FOMO'd into a trade on this stream. I get it.
I've never done that.
I'm the only one. You know, I know I'm the only one. Coming down to the middle of the 15-minute range, where we don't diddle in the middle, so. All right. Tap in the middle, through the middle now. Okay. What broker are you using? This is Tradeovate and NinjaTrader. Flow State. Are you in Florida, bro? Because that flow makes me think you're from Florida. See, BP, I know, bro. I know you never take bad trades or get stopped out or anything like that. All you ever see is take profit. But for me, I've only been doing this for a short amount of time. Okay. I'm not in almost 7-8 years like yourself. I get it. I'm trying to be like more like BP moving forward with my 14-22 gap stop model. I don't even know what I just said, but it sounded cool. Or not. Who knows? No diddle in the middle. Not today, Satan. Not today. I would want to get below the VWAP to look for a short and above the pivot above us to take a long. So until we get to either one of those directions, I'm hands off. Because all this right now, all this is consolidating. We're consolidating. BP, you don't have to like hit me in the chat trying to flex on me, bro. No, I lose 1 R, but I make 2 or 3 R. Haha. Must be nice. Must be nice. I'm full port. That's it. We're either winning or we're losing. No break evens, nothing. I'm a Florida man. We do things different out here. John, bro, my soul brother finally showed up. About time, John. I was looking for you. Welcome, dude. Yeah. I only talk about dollars, Ule. I'm never looking at 1 R's or 35 R's. I don't even know what an R is. Well, John, you made it. You haven't missed anything. We're currently in the middle of the 15-minute range today, so right now there's nothing really to do. I'm hoping the market moves clean for us, but the market's going to do what the market wants to do. I need a drink watching this market right now. I need to stay active. I got to look around something because these charts, like, they hypnotize you, right? Watching the bars, especially the Rinkos go up and down. You know, it's like, oh, you want to jump in, but it's not going anywhere. Oh man, that's some. I'm always gonna say this is some really good water. That's my favorite water drink when I'm in the States. Next week, probably around Tuesday-ish, potentially, we'll have the vlog from Canada dropping. Yes, we vlogged and streamed in Canada. We're traveling to a new country or state each and every month of the year. We're on a trading tour this year, showing y'all what's achievable and how much freedom you could truly have from trading. So that's why we're doing the trading tour. February, we're going to Mexico and San Antonio. March, we're going to Colombia. Where are we going? April. I forget where we're going in April. April and May are still up in the air. June slightly up in there. July, we're back in Portugal for 3 weeks. So we're going to be having some fun. Indonesia, possibly we could maybe do like in May. We could maybe do Indonesia, possibly Ule. All right, we're coming up on 10 o'clock. We got less than 2 minutes now. I did not forget, sir. I did not forget.
2 minutes to 10.
Yeah, I was just getting ready to call it out. Thank you, G. I love when the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society gives me some updates and stats. You know what I'm saying? They save me sometimes, not gonna lie. Because I get so focused on talking to everyone where sometimes I'm not watching the clock. BP, we're waiting for you, bro. John, you'll get there, bro. You're going to get there. All right, we're coming down to the VWAP finally. Now start looking for a trade once we get below the VWAP. There we go. Awesome sauce, finally. Let's see if we build out a flag below the... I want to build a flag below the VWAP here. That's what I personally would want. I want to get a flag below the VWAP. So let me put this right here to stop the market from going further. Straight disrespect to my line right there. That's crazy. How dare the market makers do that? All right, we're coming up on 10 o'clock. Less than 20 seconds. Less than 20 seconds.
Seconds.
All right, we just broke out of the 15-minute range right there. I'm sure we'll probably do a retest. There's the retest of the range once again. That's normal. So that's why, just because we broke out, I was not like, oh, we got to go short. We got to go short yet, because I want those retests. Now, let's see if we build a flag down here. We do still have selling pressure, so I'm actually getting slightly excited right now, boys and ladies, because this may be a little tradey trade coming up here. We got 30 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. I wanted to stay green. Let me move my lines around. Same on the 2 minute. We got a minute 15 left. I need this candle to stay green. I need this candle to stay green to print that bear flag for us, to really give us that finally a good flag to take. Less than a minute now on this 2 minute candle. Your boy's watching it like a hawk right now. I need the flaggy flag. Come on, bulls. Keep it green. I need it to stay green. I want to see some structure right here for the bear flag to take us lower. And I want it to be built below the VWAP, below the VWAP. That's my thing. I want the VWAP to hold, and VWAP's not holding, boys. Alrighty, well. Let me guess another line here. Alrighty. Well, I was looking for a bear flag. Market had other things it had to do.
Elsewhere.
It's not completely gone, but because we crossed over 50% of the pull itself for the flag, so that doesn't get me excited. Come on. Go through my yellow line with momentum so I can jump in on this trade here. Come on, Betsy. Dancing on my yellow line. That's why I did not jump in right there. I did not like the dancing. We don't like dancing.
But you already cleared that up for me.
Come on, Betsy. All right, we got a minute, less than a minute 20 left on the 5 minute candle. So I'm hoping the bears could keep this price down so that way the next candle could potentially be a red one and take us lower here. Let's see what we get. What up, it? We got these buying wicks right here too, like right where my line's at, right where I want to enter. But buyers keep stepping in right there, so gotta be patient. But man, get ready to clear that previous wick. Just cleared it. Still dancing though. $17 seconds for the 5-minute candle for a new one. We broke out of the 15-minute range barely. Bulls trying to step in. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, when it's consolidating, we can't trade it. The move comes from consolidation, folks. It's BP set up 8 contracts with no 8 contracts, no sir, not today. I am not risking it for the biscuit today. Not doing that. Right now, we're simply consolidating. We're going sideways still. The joys of being a trader, right? So what, this week we've only had one solid trading day, and that was yesterday. Granted, we made money, but it's one of those things where this month, January and December are the hardest months to trade because one, for January, it's the first month of the year, so a lot of new people trying to get in the markets, everything like that, and the market doesn't know what it wants to do yet. And then December is always slow as well because it's the end of the year where the year's coming to an end. So be careful, folks. This thing is just absolutely chopping. We're chopping in this range today, so be careful. Thank God I have discipline. I follow my rules because, man, if I try going short there, your boy would be in complete drawdown right now. John, patient, bro. I don't know what you're trading, your strategy or anything like that, but we gotta stay dialed, bro. There's no reason to just be jumping just because the market pumps or dumps. Because right now we're still in the 15-minute range. We're going sideways. And I'm honestly not trusting the market today. So we had the strong pull, so that's what we want to see. John, I'm glad it's helping you, bro. Let's see if this 21 EMA holds us up here. BP, honestly, this type of price action, since we're going sideways in the 15, the flags are great, but we don't have enough momentum. So that's why I say you can have the flag, but if you don't have the momentum, you don't have a trade. John, I appreciate you saying I'm the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? I was thinking, low-key, I was thinking about getting a chain. Believe it or not, getting a diamond chain that had the like gold pendant. Not gold, GOAT pendant. Call myself the GOAT of trading. DL, what if you have momentum but no flags? In those situations, as long as it's a clean momentum, you can scalp it, but it's a little bit more risky. That's why with the flags and momentum, you win a whole lot more than lose. But when you're just trying to go off momentum, you're going to be, you got to make sure it's clean momentum. That's all. My soul brother telling me I should. I don't know if Brenda would like me wearing a goat pendant around my neck, iced out. So we're in the middle of the 15-minute range. That chain will suit you? We'll see. We'll see. You never know what could happen later this year. Yeah, I can see that. I can see an LWS. She'll say, I don't care about the fans. That's what she'll say. It's crazy. I have been looking at some chains lately. You know what I'm saying? Your boy's been looking at investing in some chains just because. Mind you, I've never worn a chain ever a day in my life. So that's the funny part. Exactly. We definitely don't want to make ourselves a target. Because whatever I get would be real. All right, we're pushing through the yellow line here. BP, I can't do fake, bro. I'm all in. I'm all in. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're all in, bro. That is true, John. It has been on the mind for quite a while now. I'm not going to front. Get me some just to put under the shirt. It won't be out, it'll be under the shirt. Smooth, we already got multiple of those, bro. We already got multiple of those. That ain't no thing over here. We stand our ground, you feel me? BP, well, I do have security officers that would do that. I could pay them. They already work for me, so. Yeah, we're literally just chopping right now. Is this going to be another bull flag right here? Yeah, I need to click. Oh, my bad. Not trying to do that. Yeah, we're choppy chop right now. I'm gonna have to close my eyes here in a minute because, man, I almost FOMO'd. Your boy almost FOMO'd, not going front. That's why you heard me do the extra clicks over here. I almost FOMO'd. I know, bro. This is painful right now.
This is painful right now. This is painful right now.
What fun.
No, this is where real traders win and lose sitting on the sidelines. Like, this is something that as a trade we have to be able to do. Cross our hands and not enter the market while we're consolidating.
You know what? Say what you want about my swing trading, but if I trade there and I don't see something now, it takes the pressure completely off.
And that's really good. I'm glad you've been enjoying that swing trading the way you've been doing it, because 95% psychology, right, for trading. So the fact that you took that pressure off, you can now look at the markets and be comfortable.
100% off. It's 100% off because I know. Well, I mean, I'm not trading tonight, obviously, because but really from Monday through Thursday, because Sunday's kind of a no go. Really, it's really slow, directionless. I get my fix in there, and then I'm always stepping green, and then I can look for this.
Yep. No, I'm happy for you, for real.
My wife is like, she's like interested in getting into that game, so
okay,
like let's do it. So you can get the game.
Are we getting ready to start? I need a little bit more momentum. Still choppy, chop. Let's see. Woo! Awesome.
It's like an underpowered rocket ship. Not really.
My payout was approved with Tradeify, which I knew it would.
Oh, I thought you were gonna have to talk about Apex. Wah, wah.
No. No, we're not talking about them today. So now I just had to wait to get the email from Rise. That's Tradeify's third-party payment system. And then I'll be able to transfer that money to the account. What's up, Ian? Welcome back, bro. John, I hope it does something, bro. I'm trying not FOMO. I may have to go use the bathroom or something real quick, so that way I could just walk away from the charts for a second.
Well, why don't you tell us what you're doing this weekend?
This weekend is a crazy weekend. I'm doing absolutely nothing. Those are the best weekends when you can chill.
It's gonna be like crazy cold overnight.
That it is. So I'll be bundled in the house, sipping some tea.
And having the air conditioner on full blast.
No, I'll turn the AC off.
Well,
Ian, this is the Nasdaq, bro. This is the Nasdaq. John, I don't need a fake mouse. I just make sure I'm not over the buttons, like to enter or exit a trade, and then I just click. That's all I do. I don't need a fake mouse.
You need a rat, dude.
I do not need a rat. Did we finish? Yeah, I think we finished this playlist. Well, that gives me something to do while we're still consolidating and chopping. Let's go old school real quick. Let's go to the old school. Well, last year's playlist.
Hey, D, I'm on my way to Florida right now, man. I'll tell you, by the time I get over there, I'm going to jump on my motorcycle. Because even though it's cold, it's better than this out here.
When do you get back, bro?
Yeah, when?
I should be back tomorrow afternoon, arriving back to my house.
Okay.
Let me know when I'm able to slide through and pick that up.
I'm gonna deliver it, bro. Top flight service over here. I'm gonna deliver the desk.
Even better.
So you let me know when you back. You send me the Addy, and I'm coming to drop off the desk because Jose won the standing desk when we hit 1,000 subs on the channel. So we'll be giving another desk away at 2,000 subs. So he won the first desk giveaway. So when he's back, I'm gonna deliver it to him personally.
Yeah, people at YouTube, don't worry. Duane's got 42 desks.
I'm gonna be giving away a lot of desks this year because we're gonna keep stacking numbers, and it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, John. Yeah. So Jose won the first desk giveaway when we crossed 1,000 subs earlier this month. All right. How do you win? You have to be on the stream when we cross 2,000 subs because we spin a wheel. We spin a wheel.
Was the prison controls for the whole thing, right? The depression on the right.
So we spin the wheel, and whoever wins wins. And with that being said, if you join the Legacy Wealth Society for free, you get extra entries as well. And then say you do one of the paid plans as well, you get even more entries. But if you just show up on that stream that night that we cross over 2K, you're automatically entered in. Go get some tea, big dog. No, I'm good, fam. I'm good. We just chop going sideways. But hey, honestly, if I don't take a trade today, I'm not mad because I did request a payout. I'm slightly disappointed I can't take a trade today if we don't get the move I want, because I'm trying to clean up one of my accounts so I could take a payout. I already hit the profit target to growth account with Tradeify, but I got hit with the micro scalping rule. So I had to hold a couple trades just a little bit longer for the payout. Yeah, your boy's itching. Like, listen, I'm the first one to tell y'all. Like, it takes everything in me not to trade chop. And the crazy thing is, I know I suck at trading chop, but this is where you grow as a trader, right? You guys get to see it live, me growing in front of you. Because listen, before I've been click, 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 click. Now I'm just like, I'm not willing to lose. That's my thing now. Because me and Brett, when I was up in Canada this month, we were talking over dinner, and we were talking about how to be successful at trading, because it's 95% mental. But the real way to be successful, you have to have a why. You have to have a legit why you're doing this. It could be for freedom. It could be to give your family a better lifestyle, to just give you more money at the end of the month and more month. You know what I'm saying? Whoever your why is, that is what has to hold you true to your strategy and discipline. Ben, first off, keep coming to these streams for the morning and the night. That will help you tremendously. Also, join the Legacy Wealth Society. It's completely free. That would help you. And if you're new to this and you have not gotten a payout or anything like that, join the Legacy Wealth Society on one of the paid plans. It could be the lowest plan we got. That will give you my full strategy. Yeah, but I can't trade the chop. I can make money trading chop, but it's more of a 60-40. 60% I'm gonna lose, 40% I may win. And I don't like those odds. BP, I disagree. Trading chop is not gambling. Trading chop is a guaranteed loss. Where with gambling, you have a 50% chance of winning. But trading chop, I have a 60% percent lose. So it's no longer gambling when it's not 50-50. It's a automatic loss for me, so I don't even touch it. All right, we're coming down to this VWAP. But it's going so slow. Today may be a no trade day. Today may be a no trade day. Unless I switch over to like some evals and just YOLO it. Nah, I'm not even gonna do that. Who's made money today with this crazy market? Let me know. Let me know if you made money today. Because your boy hasn't made anything. I'm flat. I'm right there with you, BP. I'm flat still. Smooth made 50. Hey, green is green, fam. Green is green. We're getting below this VWAP now. Maybe we get like some type of a flag. -8. Sorry to hear that, Hamid. Do not overtrade, bro. Honestly, if you're down 800 with this market conditions, just walk away for the day. Come back on Monday, dialed in, reset over the weekend so you can execute. All right, we're touching my yellow line here. We are touching my yellow line, but I'm not overly excited for it. Let's see if we maybe build some type of flag below the VWAP. But at this point, I will honestly want us to get below 806.50, 806.50 just to play it safe. But then we got 800 right there as well. So like right now, I'm like in no man's land. It is ranging today, and we don't trade the range. Hamid, do not risk it for the biscuit with me. You're risking it by yourself. This is not financial advice, sir. This is for educational purposes only. So do not risk the biscuit with me. No, sir. So it looks like we're building a flag on the 1 minute. Let's jump to the 2 minute. No flag yet on the 2 minute. On the 1 minute, we were showing a bear flag. Hey, 680, 680, bro. Congrats. You're still green for the day. Good job, Iz. We're breaking my yellow line. Hey, you can do whatever you want. You're a grown man. So you can YOLO, do what floats your boat, fam. What kind of trading is this? Is futures trading. We're below my yellow line. Honestly, I'm just waiting for the break. There's the breakout. We need more follow through on those breakouts. That's why I'm not like overly excited. We cleared one of the wicks right there. Well, there you go. That works. Alrighty. I got my first target now that we officially broke out the range finally. First target 750. 750 is my first target. I did not take that trade. I did not take that trade. I wanted to see a flag on a higher time frame, which we did not get there. I would like to see us build another flag here. I'm trading on the 1, the 5, and the 2 minute, sir. On the screen that you guys can see, that's the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the Renko bars. I have another screen over here with my 2 minute. Not liking that wig. Like right now, it's not looking pretty. Let's see if we build us another flag. We have less than a minute on this one. Hopefully we do not go back in that 15-minute range. Trying to stay away from that chop zone. From all the cedar. What cedar, bro? You guys burning cedar to stay warm over there in Texas? Come on, Betsy. I'm waiting for the next one here. As long as we stay below that 15-minute range, I'll be looking for a short here to my first target at 750. But I need a flag with momentum to confirm. So we do have selling pressure down here, but just be careful, folks. Come on. Go through my yellow line. Come on, Betsy. This is the Nasdaq, bro. This is the Nasdaq futures. We still have that selling pressure. We're back in the 15-minute range where it would be a no-go zone for me right now. There's the VWAP tap. There's the 21 EMA tap. Yeah, so. There's the middle of the 15-minute range tap. So much for looking for a short, I'll tell you that. I did not like this price action today. Today is definitely boring. I feel that one, bro. But we can only take what the market gives us, right?
Look, we're loving it.
So for me personally, I'm not forcing anything. What's up, Nature Boy? I'm not forcing it because I've already won for the week. So I'm like, there's no reason or just jump into a trade just to jump in. Because we're currently chopping.
But this thing is just I feel like I'm gonna go chop some onions. So at least it'll be productive.
Yeah, this is craziness. This is craziness today. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Deception's Izzy, you ain't lying, bro. You are not lying, sir. This is the Nasdaq, Nature. This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq. I like putting lightning in a bottle. But right now, the lightning's not being lightning today. It's more like cloudy skies, no lightning. But this is what's going to happen, right? We're going to consolidate. We're going to chop. And then, once we get off the stream, the market's going to move.
Oh, it's going to be like a rocket ship to outer space.
Because today I had to get off the stream by 11:15 at the latest. Probably like more like 11 today. So the market knew I had to get off early. So they're like, we're not really going to move the market today. On the 1 minute, that's looking like a potential bull flag there, but we need some good momentum because it's in the middle of the 15-minute range. So take it with your own risk. So, yep, today's stream will be ending in 21 minutes, and this stream will be ending. We do have the traders hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We'll be live, vibing, talking about trading, talking about life, and everything in between. So make sure you guys lock in and come hang out with us tonight. Last night we did over 2,700 views on the stream. So I'm sure tonight will be even bigger since it's the weekend. Consolidating some more on the Renko bars. Still hoping for a move within the next 20 minutes here, but if it doesn't happen, it just doesn't happen. Not trying to force it. Not trying to force it. Just cleared a wick that we had on a previous candle there. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. I low-key just want to go long right here. But we're just chopping.
Chop a sword.
You can't access Lucid. Let me see if I can jump on. Hold on. BP, no. Oh, it just loaded for me. It hesitated though. It hesitated. It did hesitate. Izzy, have a good day, bro. Yeah. What's up, Kev? Nothing much going on right now, bro. The market's just consolidating and chopping.
Hey,
So
Dwayne,
everyone's
why don't you
waiting for a
entertain
move.
Entertain us, Dwayne.
Entertain you guys?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that. I'm not an entertainer. I'm a trader. You know what I'm saying?
Look, I'm an introvert. Otherwise, I would do it.
Hit the Dougie. Hit the Dougie.
The Dougie? Absolutely not. Like, I'm trying to get people to subscribe and like come back for Trader Hangouts. I don't think they'll stay if I start doing the Dougie horribly.
Do your kid and play impersonation.
Gotta love when the market's chopping, boys. Hey, at least the shirt says self-paid because, man, market's not paying today. So we have a slight bull flag on the 2-minute here. But I don't like that selling wig. Let's see if we clear that wick. I may go long here. As long as we have follow through. Gotta have follow through. There's the wick clear. Instant reject coming up and back on down. How do I have that? It's just how I set it up, bro.
What's up?
Oh, BP coming in like the captain. What's up, bro? How you feeling with this market right now, fam?
Bing bong.
Honestly, not great. It's just moving back and forth in this range.
It's moving back and forth like an argument with your ex. Doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, well, I got 15 more minutes, gentlemen and ladies. 15 more minutes. So if we don't get something today, looks like I'll be trading on Monday. Yeah. It's either we gotta get some momentum. We need something. Because this thing's just choppy, chop. Let me drink some more of my bottle because this thing makes you want to drink right now. All right, there we go. Getting some momentum here. We're clearing wicks out.
Well, it's going long.
I use Tradeaway and Ninja Trader, bro. I trade through prop firms. Someone's taking trades.
Somebody's risking it for the biscuit.
Hey, it happens. It happens. Smooth. It's okay, bro. I'll probably wait till we break out here. Because we got a pivot point above us. Don't want us tapping and rejecting like we did earlier. Like, it has to be a super dial move for me to want to jump in at this point. Come on, Betsy. We have that pivot point above us. It's currently sitting at 938 even. 938 even, we have a pivot point. Last time we touched it, we rejected. So keep that in mind, folks. The Bulls are looking like they want to push, but patience. Well, Jeff, I'm glad you like my eyebrows, bro. Appreciate it, man.
I'm gonna go ahead and get Moose on the phone. Maybe he can make an emergency stop.
Clean him up a little bit. I'll see him tomorrow. Give me the fresh baldy. You looking for above or below the candle, or what price? Currently, I want to get above 938, above 938 for a potential long, because right now we're chopping. So right now we had to get above the pivot point for me to want to take a long up here, or below the VWAP for a short. I do not trade these ranges like this because when the price action's bad, I normally get chopped up. Just saying.
I just need 19 points and this account's done.
From your lips to God's ears, BP. Maybe once I get off the stream, it'll happen for you.
I just want to YOLO a short right now.
Bro, I've been fighting the YOLO so hard today. But this is what happens. I'll go like the entire session flat, and then right at the end I put a trade on, and then I lose like $2,000. So I'm not trying to do that. Come on, Betsy. Let's talk. I'm not doing that. Mark, you're looking at the 2-minute, the 5-minute Renko bars currently. Yeah, I'm not trusting this market today, folks. It's too chopping for me. It's too chopping. Your boy don't like losing money. I did take a payout last night with Tradeify, but yeah. You said profit from how long for a payout with Trade or Ninja Trader? Well, I trade with Tradeify and Lucid and Take Profit Trader. So if you request a payout with Tradeify between 5:30 and 6:30, you'll have it by 7. Last night I put a request in after 10:30 live on the stream last night. So everything was approved. I'm just waiting for the third-party payment email notification to come through, letting me know that the funds have been transferred, so I could just send it to my bank. But normally, if I request between 5:30 and 6:30, I'll have it by 7. Can you trade news with Take Profit Trader? You need to be either you have to jump in like 5-10 minutes before the news and then wait a couple minutes after to get out. Anywhere close to the news, you can't trade. So you have to jump in earlier for it to not be counted against you. But I do not recommend trading news. Yeah, we're right in the middle of the 15-minute range, boys. We're just chopping here. I did not, baby. I'm still full from last night. Thank you, though. Huh? Do any of the three you said let you? They all really don't want you to, but if you do what I said, jump in way earlier, then they won't count it against you. But I don't trade news. I don't recommend trading news either. Get ready to buy. Bro, it's chopping right now. This bad boy straight chopping. Here comes the VWAP. All right, through the VWAP. We're going sideways, so I'm not very... Nice little drop, but I'm not excited for this price action today. What's up, Art? Welcome, sir. How's your week been? Oh, I ain't cooking, fam. Your boy is not cooking today. I am not cooking, bro. This market is so choppy today. I ain't touching it. From your lips to God's ears, Kev. Big drop. That was not a big drop. You'll know a waterfall when you see one. It's trying to do a little bear flag right there on the 2 minute, but at this point for me, 5 minutes till 11, I'm most likely not going to touch it today, boys, being real. Not willing to risk it for the biscuit. Do you have a trend line? There's a trend line on there, but I don't use trend lines. Mr. Nelson, what's up, bro? Bro, you missed out yesterday, fam. Yesterday, you would have printed money. The day before that, you would have been pissed off because Tradevate crashed, so no one could trade for FOMC. And then the Monday, Tuesday was chopping as well. So yesterday would have been your day, bro. You would have made yesterday easy 50K yesterday. I know, fam. I know. I did base hits yesterday. I only made 5K yesterday. It happens. It happens. We got less than 3 minutes now, less than 3 minutes for 11 here. So be careful at that whole time. Be careful. I will be having to get off at 11 as well because I have to run around because your boy owns businesses as well. So gotta handle some stuff today. So I had to get off today at 11. Of that 5K, what's your take home? 90% of it. No, consistency rule never affects me because I'm a consistent trader. Consistency rules only affect traders that aren't consistent. I do base hits. I just took a payout from Tradify last night. That money will be in my account today. I was trying to take an extra payout on one of my other accounts with Tradify, but I can't take one yet because I had to fix the micro scalping. But I honestly don't care because I brought that account back from the pits of hell. Like, I've had that account since December 3rd, funded account with Tradify. I went real bad drawdown and brought it back to life to get a payout, everything like that. So your boy's happy. Let's talk. I'm not listening to you, bro. I'm not buying. I am not buying. You buy. You tell me how it works out for you. We're currently sitting at the VWAP. Below the VWAP at that. So we're chopping right now. No one should be trading this price action. Smooth, yeah. I was just trying to bring that account back to life, to be real, so I wasn't really trading it. So I rather have the profit in the account and then work on the micro scalping after type deal. Because I take what the market gives me, right? So if I take a trade, yeah, I can sit in the trade for a little bit, then I'll just hold, right? But if I see the market slightly shifting differently, then I'll just close out and profit. Full port, bro? Yeah, Nitro, got you. No, they don't take profits. Nope. You just have to fix your micro scalping percentage. That's it. So on that account, my consistency is a 21% consistency on that growth account. Profit target was hit. I just had to fix the micro scalping for that account. So this coming week, because I was trying to fix it today, but clearly that didn't happen with how the market's moving. So next week I should take 2 payouts on 2 of the accounts. Well, actually, I may take 4 payouts next Friday on 4 of my fundeds. Well, actually, technically I could take 5 payouts on all 5 accounts. Yeah, that's Tradeify, bro. That's Tradeify. Which chart are you looking at? I'm not looking for patterns on the top chart that you're watching. I'm not looking for patterns on that first chart. That top chart is not for patterns. That chart is to just watch the momentum of the market. I look for the patterns on the standard candlesticks. Well, boys, I'm going to be jumping off here. I got to go. Stay safe in the markets for everyone that's still trying to trade this Chop Fest. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to have some fun once again tonight. So tune in, vibe with us, learn with us, and grow with us. It's going to be a good time. Stay safe in the markets, boys, and I will see you guys tonight. Be blessed, everyone. Legacy, nothing but love for y'all. If anything, just hit me in the community. All right, that's it. Peace out. Let's talk. Enjoy the buy, bro. Hopefully it works out for you, fam. Art, pleasure talking to you today. Brett, BP, everyone in there. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a safe day, everyone.